Do you want to discover the power of scalping with the CCI indicator? In this video, not only do I talk about the strategy, but also demonstrate the way I use it to make several thousands of dollars in net. Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce you to one indicator that all the scalpers out there use. It's one of the best strategies for scalping, and today we're going to try and increase the initial deposit at least a couple of times using this incredible strategy, which would be making over $2,000 in one trading sesh. You gotta agree with me on this one. That's quite an ambitious goal, and in this video I'm showing you how we're gonna achieve it. First and foremost, the first trade is getting processed right now as we speak, and it was made and placed pretty wisely. I'm explaining the criteria I comply with in order to make such incredible deals a bit later. Today we've got the CCI indicator. It's the most popular indicator for scalping. Let's add and prep it all over again. Meanwhile, we've already got $460 of net profit. And back to the indicator itself. The indicators list is in the top left corner on the pocket option platform. We're clicking the indicators name once. Now we gotta move things around it a little in order to get the best out of it. First of all, we set the two numbers right here, 150 and minus 150. It's an area displaying the overbought and oversold chart condition. It works with similar principles to RSI, however it's way faster and more accurate, so it's like literally perfect for short deals. I wouldn't recommend using it for long-term trading though, but that's not what today's video is about. So we've got two options, two ways of how the situation can go. The two signals this indicator can provide us with are a signal to sell and a signal to buy. Obviously, that's when the indicator alternatively gets back to its normal state from the oversold chart condition area. So the signal occurred, the deal was made precisely with this signal and closed just as successfully, but that's not the only requirement the case has to meet in order for us to place a trade. There are lots of cases when the indicator is rising and can seem to haven't been in the overbought area for a while, but the market just wouldn't reverse. This way, you would take a risk of trading against the trend and therefore suffer major losses. An additional factor of the smooth deal placement happens to be the last successive high value. Basically, here is a certain price level traders are highly interested in, and due to this level, we made an amazing deal downwards. So another criteria to look out for is either a sideways motion or a so-called flat, or an encounter with an important horizontal level, then combined together with the signal exactly the one when the indicator gets out of a critical condition area. Only then do we make a deal upwards or downwards. So guys, we're getting ready for the second trading case. Perhaps we need to place multiple trades here. The case is extremely simple, just repeating everything I said in the beginning. We're looking for either an important price level or some kind of a sideways motion the chart has been recently moving within. We've got both the sideways motion and the nearest resistance level. I went ahead a little here. Ideally, we would want to wait for the CCI indicator to start decreasing and end up below the 150 mark, then a signal can be considered valid. So we've got two reasons to place a trade downwards. The first one is the important price level, and the second one is the overbought condition of the fast indicator. As you can see, our deals got followed by a rapid rollback from the powerful area. Thereby, the first deal closes with no issues whatsoever, and the two deals I placed just in case are also about to close in profit. What a fortunate moment did we stumble upon. As a result, 3 deals have got us a profit of $1,500 in total. I think this situation turns out very luckily. So let's carry on. I hope everything's clear so far. So guys, here's a similar situation. As you can see, there is a certain local level. So we've got even a support level right here, but the price is too far to reach it yet. Moreover, there is also this local level and a more global one, even higher up. But we are interested in this particular area the chart might likely react to, and we should also keep an eye on the CCI indicator that has just bounced off of the 1 in 50 area. So we have all the rights to expect a corrective retracement according to both the chart and the oscillator. So I'm confident we simply got lucky in this case. The chart didn't retrace downwards, but RTL magically closed a few tiny points lower than the level it was open at and got us the result we ended up with. This local level will now probably be broken through, and the price will start moving towards the next one, the more global level. But we did everything we could in this case, so let's switch to the next trading asset. So my dear friends, they still gotta be way more confident this time. There are several factors indicating a further fall at once. Firstly, it's this dodgy candle that normally appears at the very top or at the very bottom of a trend, forecasting the said trend reversal. Secondly, if we switch to a more global time frame real quick, we'll see this horizontal level. Moreover, within our 30 seconds time frame, the indicator has reached the 150 zone and is currently floating below it. So I think we might face a decent red candle that will get us a profit. Today we miraculously made really lucky deals, a large number of profitable deals to be exact. If we consider today's trading session in particular, we get like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 profits. 6 profitable deals closed successfully with the total amount of around $3,000, I guess. Of course, we overachieved the initially desired outcome. By the way, if you guys want to have the same win rate for your sessions, don't forget that I posted a very cool video on my free Telegram channel dedicated to win rate increasing. There's nothing impossible about it. Just watch the video, apply all practical advices, and I'm sure your trading will get much better. That's it for today. I'm wishing everyone a lucky trading day. See you very, very soon.